Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you control the account and have a reachable email or phone. Instagram will send files there. Open the app or desktop site and log in, then go directly to Settings, choose Security, and tap Download Data. This initiates a formal data request that includes messages. It's faster than searching caches. Once you submit, Instagram generates an archive. Make sure you enter the correct email and select HTML or JSON so messages are readable when delivered. After you enter the email and choose HTML or JSON, press Request Download. Instagram will queue your archive. The platform often sends the archive link within 48 hours, though timing varies by load, so check spam, promotions, and any linked addresses. Make sure you remain logged in and don't change passwords or security settings while Instagram prepares the file, because interruptions can delay or invalidate the request. Once you get the email, follow the secure link to download the zip archive. When you download the zip, extract it and open the messages file in the format you chose. HTML is easiest to scan, JSON works with a viewer. Search by contact name, keywords, or date ranges to locate deleted threads. This archive includes server-stored message history. If you don't find the messages, it could be they were permanently deleted before Instagram archived them. In that case, repeat the request and, if needed, contact Instagram support. If something fails, check email correctness and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.